Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS backgrounds. And right now, we'll be discussing about CSS background position. In our previous CSS background repeat example, the background image is placed in the same place as the text. But right here, we want to change the position of the image so that it does not disturb the text too much. What does that mean? Let's say for instance now you have a background image like in our previous tutorial where we got this kind of image. As you can see in our previous tutorial we're having this image is image of with no repeat value. Let's now say we want to change this image from here. We want to make it want it to be at the right side here, or we want it to be at the right side at the bottom right side here, or we want it to be at the top bottom right here, or you want it to be at the center, or you even want it to be around this specific area, or inside this first element specifically is where you want it. So that's where the background repeats, that's where the background positions comes up. So I'm going to show you how this works in our next tutorial. Anwar Akorede Ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time to our next tutorial. Have a great day. Bye bye and thank you.